Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about industry. What is industry? Types of industry. So let's begin. Definition of industry. The term industry refers to the production of goods or services within an economy. Industries are categorized based on their functionals, raw materials, production methods, and output. The primary types of industries are primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. However, the six basic industries generally consist of agricultural, mining, utilities, construction, manufacturing, and services. These industries are essential for supporting the economy's structure and overall functionality.